Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily share any Facebook profile photo using your Android device. Sharing photos on Facebook can sometimes be tricky, but with this simple guide, you'll be able to share your favorite profile pictures in just a few quick steps. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the Facebook app installed on your Android device. Once you're ready, go ahead and open the Facebook app. The first step in our process is to locate the profile photo you wish to share. 2. Navigate through your friends' profiles, or find the photo in your news feed, and once you find the profile picture, it's time to tap on it to open it up. This will give you a larger view of the image. 3. Now that you have the photo opened, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you will see 3 dots arranged vertically. This is your next step. 4. Tap on those 3 dots, which will bring up a menu of options. Take a quick look through the menu and find the option that says Share External. 5. Once you tap on Share External, you'll be directed to a new screen that allows you to choose how you want to share that photo. It could be via messaging apps, social media platforms, or even email. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to share any Facebook profile photo on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.